Hello, welcome to another video. This is just a very quick one. We've been doing a lot of videos recently on exhausts, so I thought one more little one won't hurt. So today we are back on the 800 and you can see we have the Scorpion exhaust fitted at the moment and we have no baffle in at all. So if you remember from our previous videos, we tried it with the baffle and the baffle actually had a full blocked end. So the gases had to go round the end and just through these holes and then out. I'll show you a picture of the before. And then I have chopped the end off there. So we are going to refit the baffle now in here and then see if that makes any difference to the sound. Because I do like the sound of it without the baffle in, but we are going to Europe and we are going on an adventure day, and I just feel that it would be a little bit better if we had a baffle in, just so we're not being as obnoxious with the sound. So first of all, we will give it a run up now without the baffle so you can hear it, and then we'll fit the baffle and see if there's any difference in sound. So I'm going to turn the noise cancelling off on the microphone and get the bike fired up. So there you go, that was the exhaust sound without the baffle in. Now I'm just going to fit this in here. I remember last time saying how that it didn't matter if I dropped the screw inside because it couldn't go anywhere because the baffle was capped at the end. Well, that no longer applies, so I need to make sure I don't drop the screw inside the baffle. Just using the 4mm Allen key, we'll just tighten this up against the spring washer, keep that nice and secure in place. So now what we'll do is get the bike fired back up again and see what it sounds without the baffle in, and then we'll do a bit of a switcheroo back and forth with the video in the art of editing and work out if it's any quieter. Well, that certainly sounds quieter to me. Let me know what you think. Would you keep the baffle in normal, have the baffle out altogether, or do the same modification that I've done as a halfway house? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.